Hey, I'm Tony Anzer, your Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland real estate agent. Today we're here at my newest listing at 2213 East Cleveland Street in Hobart, Indiana. I'm excited for this house. This house has so much to offer. It's a sprawling ranch. It has a detached office slash 3-season room. You gotta check that out. Pretty soon we're gonna head inside, but I just want to show you the outside first. So we got a nice U driveway with additional parking over there that we'll see the garage in a minute or 2 or 3. And so we're gonna head inside. You can see we got garage access right there. So we're going to head in. All right, this house is done to the nines. The color schemes are great. We got new replaced windows already. So walking into the living room here, and then we're gonna see we got the nice upgraded trim on the lower level here. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. You don't see that very often. So bedroom, this is number 3 right here. We'll get to the master bedroom in a second here. That's got a master suite. So as we walk down the hall, we're going to get to bathroom number 2. So we got a full shower tub here. And as we travel to the left here, we're going to see bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 here, and you're gonna check out these views here. So in the backyard is County Line Orchard, which is really cool, and we're gonna check that out in a little bit, and we'll see some drone video throughout this one that will pepper in some images of the County Line Orchard. All right, this is the master bedroom slash bathroom suite. So we have a built-in powder room here, so you could turn this into a closet if you wanted to. There's closet space over there, so you have plenty of closet space. Now we are here into the master full bathroom. So it's a bedroom, bathroom suite. All right, we're gonna go towards the dining room. So we checked out this bathroom. Let's peek in it one more time as we go. So again, it says 3 beds, 3 baths. So we're gonna enter here into the dining room. Lots of space here. And again, these views of the backyard are just awesome. We got, the roof was replaced like this year. The windows have been replaced. So all the big ticket items are already taken care of. So we're gonna go into the dining room here. So you got lots of counter space, lots of cabinetry here. The appliances that you see here are going to stay. So we got the family room here. Nice fireplace centerpiece here. You see the colors are all updated. And then 3rd bathroom here, we got a half bath here. Got like a wilderness theme, which is pretty cool. And then we walk out here to the garage. So we got a 2-car garage. This garage is pretty deep too. I know the video may not show it as well. Deep 2-car garage. The driveway was replaced within the last few years. So nice driveway, plenty of parking space here. And then these backyard like sitting areas, it's like 7 p.m. in June right now. Just check out all the shade that you get. So you have so many areas of just hanging out. I was here earlier and the shade came in at like 5 p.m. or earlier than that even. You see these mature trees that just add lots of shade to the backyard. So it gives you lots of functionality. We'll check out the garden in a second, but before we go out there, we have to check out the 3 seasons room and the home office. So here we go for the 3 seasons room. You can see the views that this affords you. And then we're gonna go into the office. This office is pretty next level. I don't know if the video will do it justice, but a very large space. We have a mini split here that provides heating and cooling. All the walls and the ceiling are insulated, so year round you have comfort in here just from the mini split. You can see the space here, and the dimensions will be in the listing. So there's lots of space here. Hopefully this video does that justice. All right, so now we're going to check out the backyard. And again, this backyard does abut the County Line Orchard. All right, so we see we got Garden area over here. We have an area here with the picnic table and a trampoline. And then in addition to the 2-car garage, we have a full shed here, and that was built in 2020-ish. All right, so we're checking out the backyard now, and we have more garden area back there. And then we can see back there are the apple trees for County Line Orchard. Cool. All right, well, hope you enjoyed this listing tour as much as I have. Again, my name is Tony Yanzer, Realtor in Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland. Please reach out to my contact info up here or in the description, and I'd love to show you this home or any others that you're interested in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around town.